Ah, Ayan. So, ngayong umaga, before ko po i-discuss yung aking topic, magpapakilala po muna ako. Ako po si Coach Christine Joy Quinto. Ah, Before po Herbalife, ayan po, ganyan po ako kalaki. So, 135 pounds. And, ayan po yung naging result ko. So, mom of three. And, um, makeup artist din po ako. So, full-time Herbalifer. So, ayan po. Dati po ang dami ko pong discomfort na nararamdaman. And uh, mayroon din po, nagkaroon din po ako ng kati-kati sa muka. And ayun po, dito ko lang po naintindihan na kapag pala yung katawan po natin, binibigyan po natin ng proper nutrition, nag-heal po siya ng kusa. So, ginamit ko din po ang product as prenatal supplement. Meron po akong 3 Herbalife babies. So, napaka-healthy po nung tatlo na anak ko. So, kaya po nakakatuwa na, ayun po, binigay po sa amin ng Herbalife Nutrition. And, ang kagandahan po dito, marami po akong natututunan. And, ayun po, dahil po maganda po yung naging resulta namin sa product, shinare din po namin sa iba. And, pinilit po namin na ma-achieve po yung 50%, yung maximum discount po, yung supervisor level. So, ang kagandahan po nun, kapag supervisor, nakaka-attend po yung international training and yung local po natin trainings. So, ayun po, kaya po, love na love po namin sa Herbalife. And ayun po, mag-start na po tayo ng topic. So, ayan. Understanding Fad Diets, Intermittent Fasting. So, this article po is according to our doctor, David Heaver. So, siya po ang ating chairman, Herbalife Nutrition Institute. So, ayan po. Sabi dito, intermittent fasting, ayan po, a dietary pattern in which periods of eating are alternated with periods of fasting. Ayan po, kung makikita ninyo dyan, 8 hours feed and yung 16 hours na nagpa-fasting po. So, ayan po. Next po. Ayan. Sabi dito, intermittent fasting involves voluntarily foregoing or yung delaying meals to achieve specific metabolic benefits. So, karamihan po ng yung nagda-diet, nag-skip po sila ng meals para lang po magkaroon ng mabilisang yung pag-lose weight. So, ngayon po, karamihan po hindi po nagwo-work sa kanila dahil nga po yan po nagugutom, nagki-crave sila and yung craving and the fatigue of not eating. So, ayan. So, sabi dyan, when incorporated into a healthy diet and exercise regimen, intermittent fasting may promote sustainable weight loss by cutting down calories eaten after dinner. 'Di ba? Ayan po, nakalagay dyan, a regular schedule of not eating after dinner fits the normal human pattern of not eating at night before bed. So, 'di ba lahat naman po tayo nagpa-fasting kasi 'di ba after natin kumain dinner, sa umaga na tayo kumakain. So, ayun po, nagpa-fasting na po tayo doon. So, sabi dyan, having a last meal, ayan po, yung sinabi ko kanina, having a last meal at 7 p.m., not eating until 7 a.m. is a healthy, normal pattern of eating fasting. So, ayan po, healthy, daw po yan? Healthy pattern. So, fasting for fewer hours is a behavior that the body can support for 8 to 12 hours. So, ang karamihan naman po, na are stress and eat at night. So, ayun, yung mga stress. So, yung studies show that this can lead to 60 to 600 to 700 extra calories on average. So, ayan. So, yun po pala yun. Pag napaparami yung kain natin, yun po yung hindi natin namamalayan na yun na pala yung sobrang calories. So, napakadami po nun. So, sabi dito, longer term fasting leads to loss of lean body mass. So, ayan po, like most trends, taking it extremes can be damaging. So, extending fasting to 16 or even fasting 2 days each week po can reduce the time you need to get your essential nutrients, including the right amount of protein each day to maintain your muscle mass. So, bumabagsak po ang ating muscle mass dito. So, ayan po. Sabi din dito, balanced nutrition and healthy active lifestyle is needed to get our best personal shapes. So intermittent fasting daw naman po can be a healthy way to organize yung ating eating schedule as long as you make it part of balanced nutrition and healthy active lifestyle. So, ayan po, ang intermittent fasting po ay isn't for everyone. Like, ayan po, kailangan po nating magpa-check sa ating primary care practitioner first. So, bago po tayo mag-intermittent fasting. So, some people should steer clear of trying intermittent fasting. So, ayan po, kailangan po nating anuhin. Hindi po siya pwede sa mga children and teens under age 18, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, people with diabetes and blood pressure, blood sugar problems, those with a history of eating disorder. So, ayan. And ayan po, 'di ba po nabanggit ko kanina na healthy naman po yung 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. na fasting, and ayan po, kung magpa-fasting tayo, pwede naman po nating isama ang ating Herbalife Nutrition. So sa morning pa lang, kailangan na natin ng proper nutrition. Kaya meron po tayong ayan, mga product na pwede po nating gamitin para mas maging healthy po tayo. And with that, thank you po sa inyong pakikinig, and back to you, Coach Mayet.
Maraming salamat, Joy. Alam mo, totoo yan, no? Katulad ng sinabi ng yung topic, yung title ng topic, it's a fad. Trending lang yan, okay? But it's not sustainable, really. So, katulad ng sinabi ni Coach Joy, okay, you need to incorporate it with a healthy, balanced program, which you can only get from, okay, the world's #1 nutrition company, which is Herbalife Nutrition. Yan. Maraming salamat to everyone. By the way, Coach